Hey everyone, in this video I will tell you how you can deposit cryptocurrency or USDT in your new created Binance account. If you have created a Binance account and now you want to deposit some money, some USDT in your Binance account, then how you will do it? So for that, just open your Binance app on your mobile phone. Now at your home page, you can see the option called P2P. At the second row of the top from top, you can see P2P. You will click on this P2P option. Now when you click on this, now here all the buyers you will see. You can see, just check out the buyers, and how under each buyer you can see there is a limit from below limit to maximum limit. So you will be able to buy cryptocurrency from these users above this limit. So now as you can see, at the first buyer the initial limit is 8,000, so you cannot buy 7,000 from this buyer. In this way you can check out all the buyer and you can buy some, you can buy USDT or you can buy any cryptocurrency from these buyers according to those limits. So let's suppose the first buyer is Cheyenne and it's offering the limit of 8,000 to 45,000. So in order to buy, I will click on this buy option. When you click on buy option, now in top you can see enter amount. Just write amount. Let's pause 9,000 because I cannot buy below 8,000. Now it's asking the maximum limit is 3,198. So we cannot buy from this buyer. I will go and click on the next buyer. I will click on buy. Now here I will enter amount 10,000, and now you can see it's valid because its initial limit is 10,000 and this maximum limit is already 1,69,000. So just enter your amount, and here you can see the payment method is Easypaisa. Now just simply click on place order. When you click on place order, the order will be placed and the buyer will message you, or you can also message buyer in message box. So just pay the amount and send screenshot to the buyer, and the buyer will release USDT, and that USDT will be deposited in your Binance account.